Hello, friends. At some point in time or the other, we've all tried our hands trading with pivots. But pivots have so many aspects to it, hidden secrets that professional traders use that a retail trader does not even know about. Pivots actually have three trading aspects to them, and this video is about exposing all the three systems to you so that my online family can make the most of their trading experience using the pivots that we put up on our Telegram channel, both for indices in equities segment and all traded commodities on the MCX. I'm talking of hard assets. So take a look at the screen right now. This is what we put up for trading on the indices, the Bank Nifty and the Nifty 50. What you are seeing is the central pivot or the center point. As long as the Nifty opens above the central pivot, chances are, I'm using the word chances are because trading is about probabilities and not certainties, that the ending of the day, the closing of the day will be bullish. And how bullish? Now, this is an aspect of pivot trading that you're mostly aware of, but this is only one aspect of it. When the Nifty opens above the central pivot, it will go to the first immediate resistance, that is R0.5, then R1, R1.5, R2. Now, this is the laddering aspect of pivots that you are all aware of. But this is not the be all and end all of pivot trading. Now, when does the direction change? If the Nifty starts to fall below the central pivot, then the outlook has changed from bullish to bearish. What happens if the Nifty is trading below the central pivot but is rising from support 2 to support 1.5 or support 1? Very simply put, it means there is short covering rather than fresh buying that is lifting the index up, or for that matter, any security. So do remember, the central pivot is the trend determinator or the threshold above which there is bullishness and below which there is bearishness. So as long as the price is below the central pivot and rising, it's short covering. If it is above the central pivot and rising, it is fresh buying, probably. All right. Aspect number 2. Before the market has even opened, is there a possible way for you to guesstimate whether the market for that particular security will go up or go down? Look at the pivot picture on your screen right now. Measure the price difference between the absolute resistance and the central pivot in the Nifty. In this case, it is 938 rupees. And what is the maximum possible downside of support 5 from the central pivot? It is 820 rupees. So what is this pivot range telling you? The range is telling you that the upside potential might be 118 rupees more than the downside potential, which is why possibility is that the Nifty will go up. But do remember, as I record this video on Wednesday, the Nifty may be higher, but it's not above the central pivot. So what is happening? It is short covering that is basically lifting the market higher. All right. Now, this was the second aspect. Before the market has even opened, you can guesstimate whether the potential upside or downside will be seen for that particular trading session. Of course, the ultimate determinant will be the price. If the price opens above the central pivot, there is absolutely no doubt that today you should be going long. Now, the third and most important aspect, which probably many of my online family members have not yet considered, is this daily pivot utilizable or of any use for swing trading and or power trading? The answer is yes. If a pivot table can be made every day, which I put up on our Telegram channel, it's a free channel open for everyone to kind of access and join. There is also the facility to make weekly pivots. And wherever there is a confluence, confluence is convergence of levels. For example, I'm showing you the daily chart, which is showing resistance at 2.5 level at 17,386. And now take a look at the weekly pivot, which is showing resistance 0.5 at 17,388. The difference is only 2 rupees. So here at 17,380 odd level, there is a confluence where a lot of selling might be seen in case the Nifty was to go up. Is this of any consequence? Is this of any use to you, and why? Number one, this level will be a very stiff resistance. Why? Because intraday traders will attempt to short here, and swing traders, guys who are two marshmallow traders. The marshmallow theory video is in the description below this video as well as in the pinned comment. The two marshmallow traders who are deep pocketed, high conviction traders will also try to sell at 17,388 level. So both short term and swing traders are trying to hammer the market at this level. So this will be a very stiff hurdle. And call writers in the options segment will have concentrated their energies at writing call options in these strike prices in the vicinity. So say 17,400 approximately. If you were to go out and check the open interest on the 17,400 strike on the call side, you will see what I mean. So these are the aspects of pivots which you have to take in conjunction simultaneously before you start using pivots. And this, believe me, is a very, very handy tool. It's an extremely profitable aspect of trading which my online family should use in totality rather than use only the laddering aspect of level 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Depending on what feedback I get for this video, I would like to make more videos on this pivot aspect of trading, and I want you to tell me how our free pivots being put up in our free Telegram channels helping you trade the Nifty, the Bank Nifty and the commodities. Go ahead, give us all the feedback you want, and we'd like to help you trade even more better through our videos. Before I sign off from this video, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. In the comment section, good, bad or ugly, I always wait to listen to your feedback and help me reach out to fellow smart traders like yourselves by sharing my video in your social media groups on WhatsApp, on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, etc., etc. I thank you for your patience in being with me in my video. This is Vijay Bamwani signing off for now. Have a very, very profitable day. Bye-bye.